This guide will help you understand how to request payouts on Snapchat in a straightforward manner. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth payout process. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the necessary features. Step 2. Navigate to Spotlight. Swipe down or tap on the Spotlight icon at the bottom of the screen. This section is where you can view and manage your content. Step 3. Access your earnings. Once in Spotlight, look for the Earnings or Payouts section. This is typically found in your Profile or Settings menu, where you can see your accumulated earnings from your content. Step 4. Request your payout. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and wait for processing. After submitting your payout request, confirm that it has been successfully submitted. Keep an eye on your email or app notifications for updates on the processing status. By following these steps, you can easily request payouts on Snapchat. Make sure to check for any specific requirements or updates from Snapchat regarding payouts.